Hello, today I'm with Bird Cap. I can't wait, said Bird. I can't wait, said Bird. Kip is going to be so surprised. It was Kip's birthday. Bird was planning a surprise party. It was going to be in the pond. Everyone in the park is invited. Bird flew to her nest for party hats. Kip looked in his head out of his hole. Today is my birthday, said Kip. I know, said Bird. Happy birthday. I'll see you at my party, said Kip. Kip growled. What party? She asked. I'm planning a party for myself, said Kip. It's going to be at a giant rocks, said Kip. It's going to be other. Everyone in the park is invited. Uh-oh, thought Bird. Kip was planning his own party. And Bird was planning a party too. But Bird couldn't tell Kip. Her party was a surprise. What am I going to do? Wondered Bird. Kip party. Bird needed a plan to save her party. She flew back to the pond. Meanwhile, Kip makes cupcakes better. He flopped into the pan. He put the pan in the oven. Okay, said Kip. Kip looked dull. Now I need party games. But he looked all over, but he couldn't find any party games. Said Kip. I also need direction.
I also need decorations.
I also need decoration. Kip looked all over, but he couldn't find any decoration. Just then he smelled something. It smelled like bird cupcake. Oh well, said Kip. My party will still be fun. At least my friend will be there. Kip went to the giant rocks, but nobody was there. Oh no, cried Kip. I forgot to invite everyone. My party has no cupcakes, said Kip. It had no party games, said it has no decoration. Surprise, Kip. Kip was sad. He wanted to have a great birthday party, but he couldn't have cupcakes. He didn't have party game. He didn't have decoration. And he forgot to invite everyone. This is terrible, said Kip. I think I could just go home. Kip started to walk home when suddenly all of Kip's friends jumped out. Surprise! They all yelled. Happy birthday, Kip, said Bird. We are here for your party. There are no parties, said Kip. I messed up everything. No problem, said Bird. We bought cupcakes, games, and decoration. You brought a whole party, said Kip. Everyone play party games. Then they sang happy birthday to Kip. Kip blew the candles. What do you wish for? Asked Bird. Nothing, said Kip. I'm already have everything I need right here. Bird stamp collection. Bird was in her nest. She was looking at something. What are you doing? Bird asked Kip. I'm looking at my stamp collection, said Bird. I didn't know you like stamps, says Kip. Yes, I like stamps a lot, said Bird. Some of these are pretty dusty, said Bird. I haven't looked them in a while. They have nice color, said Kip. They have great neat pictures. Cool, an airplane, said Kip. Here one with a moon, said Bird. I like these turtles, said Kip. Hey, look, I see a chipmunk. This stamp is my favorite, said Bird. It has a bird. It doesn't just like me. Yeah, Bird, said Kip. That does look like ha ha achoo. Bird stamps flew everywhere. Some landed in the branches, some landed on the grass, some landed somewhere else. I'm so sorry, Bird, said Kip. It's okay, said Bird. I can find a stamp. No, we can find a stamp. The two friends looked for Bird stamp. Bird looked high, Kip looked low. Bird found some in the branches. Kip found some down the grass. Soon they had a bunch of stamps. They brought them back to Bird's nest. Bird put the stamp back in the box. Kip looked around more time. I didn't see any more stamps, Kip said. I think we found all of them. No, said Bird. One stamp is missing, and it's my favorite one, the bird stamp.
The party was going to be at the pond.
The party was going to be at a pond.
Bird flew to her nest for party hats.
Bird flew in her nest for a party hat.
The party is going to be at the giant rock.
The party was going to be in the giant rocks.
Bird gulped.
Bird ghost.
Kip poked his head out of his hole.
Kip poked his head out of his hole.
Excellent!
Kip party. No.
Bird flew back to the pond.
Bird flew back to the pond.
Meanwhile, Kip mixed cupcake batter.
Meanwhile, Kip make cupcakes better.
Kip put the pan in the oven.
Kip put a fan in the oven.
Kip went to the giant rock.
Kip went to the giant rocks.
Kip poured it into a pan.
Kip poured it into the pan.
Very good! Then they sang happy birthday to Kip.
Then it sang happy birthday to Kip.
Everyone played party games.
Everyone played party games.
All of Kip's friends jumped out.
All of Kip's friends jumped out.
Kip blew out the
Blew out
candles.
the candles.
We brought
We brought
cupcakes,
cupcakes,
games,
gifts,
and decorations.
Bird stamp collection.
I like these turtles, said Kip.
I like these turtles, said Kip.
Cool, an airplane,
Cool,
said Kip.
Cool, an airplane, said Kip.
This stamp has a bird, said Bird.
This stamp had a bird, said Bird.
I see a chipmunk, said Kip.
I see a chipmunk, said Kip.
Here's one with a moon, said Bird.
Here one with the moon, said Bird. Stamp everywhere, everywhere.
Some stamps landed in the branches.
Some stamps landed in the branches.
They brought the stamps back to Bird's nest.
They brought the stamp back to Bird's nest.
Bird put the stamps back in the box.
Bird put the stamp back in the box.
Some stamps landed on the grass.
Some stamps landed on the grass.
The two friends looked for Bird's stamps.
The two friends looked for Bird's stamp.
There.
Okay, did you like my video? You made me one like, one subscribe, and goodbye. Blah 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 blah.